And welcome back. What did you think about our statement from last week? Exclusive or predominant breast milk feedings in the first 28 days in preterm infants is associated with greater nuclear gray matter volume in the brain at term equivalent age and with improved function in school. And if you have an opinion, do you have the evidence? The answer is, this is a true statement based on lots of different research. Just one example is a study by Belfort and colleagues in 2016, where they followed infants who were born preterm forward until they reached 7 years of age. And they found improved gray matter at term equivalent age, and at 7 years of age, they found better IQ, better working memory, and better motor function. As I said, this is just one of many studies, and Dr. Hoopy out of, I believe, Germany, has done a lot of work in this area, and I was fortunate enough to hear her at a conference recently. Fascinating and a very large body of work. So I would encourage you to take a look at her stuff as well. And let's move on. Here is the question for this week. Experienced observers of breastfeeding sessions using a tool such as the Preterm Breastfeeding Assessment Tool can accurately determine approximately volumes, at least in terms of when a baby doesn't transfer any volume, eats about half of the volume, or eats the full feeding. What do you think? And what is your NICU doing? Or what are the families that you work with in early intervention or clinic-based settings doing? Are they guessing? Are they using a sliding scale where if the baby ate for 10 minutes, they were then assumed to have eaten about half? What are you doing currently, and what's the research? And I will share the research with you when we come back next week.